Good morning. We're here with another edition of Hahn Talk. I'm Brian with Hahn Systems. We're coming to you live from beautiful Fort Wayne, Indiana. And special guest today, Mirka Abrasives. This is Heath Starr with Mirka. Heath, welcome, buddy.
Hey, welcome.
We're going to talk a little bit about Mirka Abrasives. We've had Mirka here at Hahn for like 3 years. We're doing well. They do their system. They got all their abrasives, belts, sandpaper, blah, blah, blah. But Heath, tell us a little bit real quick about Mirka, where they're from.
Mirka is based out of Jeppo, Finland. We do have our headquarters in Twinsburg, Ohio. That's where our corporate office is, and we employ about 200 and some employees. So
great. And so we're having a lot of luck, guys, with the new sanding system. So Heath, real quick, tell us about the vac, the hose system. We're selling it as a kit, right?
Yes. This whole system is coming with the vac itself, an integrated hose, meaning there's an electric cord that runs through the vacuum that plugs in the front of this. This is a true HEPA. There's a 3-filter filtration system, one for the cooling motor, and then one for the HEPA, and then one contained inside. This is something you use on a daily basis. It's a push clean system, 3 times, once a day, that's it.
And you guys have 5-inch sanders,
5-inch, 3-inch.
Electric and pneumatic. You got 3x5s, electric and pneumatic.
Yes.
The Delta sander. What else? What are this?
We got the 3-inch.
3-inch, okay.
This is the 3-inch Deros.
So we've had a lot of good luck with companies that don't have the right amount of air volume. So we put them into electric, then eliminates the whole lack of air problem, and they can run electric and run their vac, run all their sanders. We can put T's on the vac, so you can run 2 hoses, 2 guns, or 2 sanders at the same time, whether it's a 5-inch or 2 5-inch or a 5 and a Delta or whatever. You can mix it up however you want to do it. But we've had a lot of good luck with that process. And then yes. The sandpaper, we're in a wood shop, we're doing really well with the Abernet. And so we'll show that kind of a close-up, but tell us a little bit about Abernet and how it's unique.
Abernet is a very unique product. It's a patent product that Mirka has. It's patent on how it's manufactured. No one can duplicate this. There is some companies trying to, but not the way we manufacture it. And this comes in all different varieties of sizes and shapes. So this product actually shaves the surface instead of digging the surface like normal traditional sandpaper.
Okay, great. And so what's nice about Mirka, guys, is they have the whole system. They just don't have the paper, and we sell you the paper. They have the vac, they have the sanders, they have the paper, they have the belts. And Heath is the tools. And so Heath is very experienced. He can roll in there and show you what you need, how we can save you some money, how we can eliminate dust in the system, and really make a better finished product for you guys. So the other thing is we're doing a promotion now while supplies last on the bomb kits. And what that is one vac, 1 hose, and 1 tool, and that's $12.99. And then if you do $500 in paper and abrasives, we're going to give you an additional $100 off, so $11.99 for the whole system. Again, that's while supplies last. All the products you see behind us, I think we got 20 of these systems ready to roll. And call us right away. Call your Hahn rep, local rep, and we'll get a demo going and get this in your hands right away.
Absolutely.
And then another thing we're going to talk about real quick is a new tool. This for the Liros for drywall sanding. So tell us about this, Heath, real quick.
This is new to the market. This is one of the lightest in the industry. It's 3.5 kilograms, which equivals to 7.7 pounds. There's not another competitor out there that has this at that weight. We also have a dual port vacuum system. All competitors have one. So this is the lightest in the industry and the most efficient with a 180 swivel head. So this can do walls, ceilings, floors, whatever.
Drywall, mud sanding,
drywall,
popcorn ceilings.
Yes, absolutely. Okay. And we have all 9-inch. It's a 9-inch head, and we have all 9-inch Abernet. We have gold, but the Abernet, as far as drywall, this is the one you want to go to. More dust free. You're saving a lot there. So no dust.
Okay.
So we're going to connect the tool to My Mirka app, which you can download on Google Play and the App Store. Back to My Mirka. We're going to go to speed. Okay, so when I'm running this tool, it's going to tell me what speed I'm running this tool right now. Right now I'm at 10,000. That's the fastest it goes. Don't ever want to run it that fast. You typically want to stay between about 7,000 RPMs due to the torque.
With this, we can show the vibration. Okay, this is very, very important. If you have too much vibration, this thing will go crazy and it will ding and let you know. That will cause inconsistent scratches, and it could cause some defects in the material that you're sanding. You stay in the green, you're good. Also, over a 24-hour day exposure, this will monitor exactly how much vibration you've had over a 24-hour period.
If we're not using dust free with the vac,
this is what happens when you're not using a vac system.
this is our 3x5. Same scenario as far as hooking up Bluetooth, but what's unique about this product is the Abernet getting up in the corners. Can I see your pin?
Yeah.
So we're gonna show a little demo here. We're gonna get right in that
corner. It's sanding. So this is good for all, like windows, doors, anything you got in the corner to get into. We also have our other tool, which is our Delta, and this product here can get in corners a little bit better. If you're working on maybe something a little bit smaller in size, this product works great as well. Between the two, it's personal preference. This is a new, unique product. It's our 3-inch Duros. Same scenario goes as far as how it hooks up. 3-inch Abernet, and same thing for smaller applications. If you're only sanding something that's 2 or 3 inches wide, why use a 5-inch sander when you can use a 3-inch sander? Save you cost 30% right off the top. The Abernet is probably one of the most common product used in all the woodworking facilities. And this is a 3x5, which can go on the electric sander. We cut them out specifically so you don't have to worry about not fit correct. We also make it in every application as far as the Delta, which is a 6x6x4 triangular. We do make it in 5-inch, and we do make it in 6-inch. We make it in 3-inch. We make it in 9-inch for the new Liros, which is here. All grits range from 80 grit all the way up to 1,000 grit. Depending on what type of finish you're looking for, we have all grits accessible.
Again, thank you. This is another edition of Hahn Talk featuring Mirka Abrasives. Find your local Hahn rep on our website, hahnsystems.com. Schedule a demo, let Heath come out, show you the sanders, show you the system, show you the paper, and we'll see if we can save you some money. Thanks again for viewing.
Yep, thanks guys.